Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a greeting card for Ramzan. For this I have taken a color paper which I have folded into half. Then using a circular lid, draw and cut as shown. Then take an yellow color paper and glue this inside the card. Then take a thin strip of paper, fold it as shown. Then draw a star and cut it out. In this way we will get small star cutouts. We can now glue this to the card. Now using a black ball pen and a ruler, add some fine details. Then using a black marker, draw an outline along the moon cutout. We can now write our message inside the card. And our greeting card for Ramzan is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.